Hey guys, it's Jasmine here and welcome back to this week's Tutorial Tuesday. If you guys do not know what Tutorial Tuesday is where I just go really creative and just put all of my creative juices out there and just create a gorgeous makeup look on my face. I'm wearing my HBCU attire, Hampton University. Hopefully you can see this. Hampton University, right here. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a green sultry makeup look today. I'm going to be using two palettes today. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one, but I'm definitely for sure using this one. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and then this one is the Sugar palette by Face Candy. I got this one on Hush.com. I have a coupon code if you guys want to use it. I'll have it on the screen. But anyway, if you guys want to see what kind of green, sultry makeup look that I create, then keep on watching. Let's get it started. As usual, I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the NARS NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Lord goodness gracious. Hopefully this is focused. I'm going to be really mad if it's not. But anyway, okay, to start out with the Jaclyn Hill palette. You know, I've used a lot of colors in this palette. I've used almost every single one, but not these ones down here. And so let me put this up so you can see. I have not used like these green tones before, so that's what really called me to do this look. And this one I haven't really used that much, and so these ones right here made me inspired to do this makeup look today. Now, I also want to try out a different technique and put like the lid color down first and then blend everything out. So I'm going to be first starting out with this color right here. It's the like very green shimmery shade in the palette, and it is just gorgeous. Ooh! Look at that! Wow. Wow! If anyone knows that vine, you're a true one. Yep, I like you. And this is more of like a bluish green, but it's still very pretty. And I'm doing this in like a dome shape, as you can see on my eyes. Now taking a Morphe 433 brush, I'm going to be using a dab, like literally a tiny bit of this really a dark green cool tone shadow, and blend out the edges of the shimmer shade that we just put down, starting on the outer corner. And when you use this shade, it's very pigmented, so you want to use a very little. And don't bring this color all the way up as you would other shades, because this color is very dark. Taking this brown color right here, it kind of has a kind of a cool tone undertone as well. And so I'm going to be taking a little bit of this and doing basically the same thing, but bringing this color up a little bit more in my crease. Alright, and now taking a different brush. This is the Luxie 229 brush, and I'm taking this very bright orangey color right here, and I'm going to be blending this as close to the brow bone as all the colors get. And so I'm going to be just muting the other colors and blending out the edges with this color. And this color is the color that I'm going to use a lot of. Alright, and now I want to go back in with that cooler tone brown that we used earlier and put this more on the outer corner. And just to make it more like an ombre effect on the outer corner. And this look is very messy and blended and just like It doesn't have to be perfect, this look. Ooh, this is glistening. Ooh, I just sprinted up and down my stairs. Whew. I'm using some L'Oreal Voluminous Liner. Oh, she a thick wing. Oh my gosh. I did not mean for it to be this thick. Oh. Oh dear, oh dear, oh my, oh dear. She a thick wing. The lashes I'm going to be using today are the Sephora X House of Lashes Collection Lashes in Seductress. Oh my gosh. That took way too long to put those lashes on. Oh. Now for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Liquid Mousse Foundation. I haven't used this in a while. Oh wait, let me like scroll you guys out a little bit. Okay, I scrolled you guys out a little bit, but not a lot, not too much. So you can still see my face, but like, you don't need to be all up in there, you know? Using my Y6 brush from Morphe. And I love this foundation because you can pack it on and make it really full coverage, and you can really just smear some on and make it a light coverage. Just depends on what you want that day. I'm going to be cream contouring today. I'm using the NYX Cream Contour. Looks like this. And I saw Daisy Marquez. She like put bronzer underneath her smile. You see like my cheek right there? She put it underneath to make her cheek stand out more. So, you know, I'm going to try that today. Alright, now I'm going to put my concealer on. This one's by LA Girl. It's the Pro Concealer. Use this one a lot because I love it so much. When I'm blending, when I put contour on, cream contour and concealer on, I like to blend out my contour first. And make sure to push the bronzer and the contour back into your forehead, back into your hairline. Use my Airspun powder. Get some on my little spun right here. Tap some off, and put this underneath my eyes. And now for my contour, well, underneath my contour actually. Oh shoot, that was a lot. I'm gonna place some powder right underneath. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Laura Mercier setting powder in the deep brown. I don't really know what it's called. And I also like to blend out everything out with this powder. Okay, now for blush. Do we want to do rosy or peachy? I'm going to use this blush. This is a Milani Baked Blush in Bellissimo Bronze. Very pretty, so I love this. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact in bronze today for my highlighter. Just fell out. It's fine. It does that a lot. All good. This is more of a softer highlighter, but it's still really gorgeous and pretty. Okay, I really don't know what to do. I really want to do a red, but that's really Christmassy. But then I also want to do the nude. I'm going to try the red first, see how it looks. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, this color is by Lip Dar. I got this in the giveaway. I talked about it in my last Tutorial Tuesday. I'll have a whole playlist of all my Tutorial Tuesdays linked down below and at the end of this video. So, let me let this dry real quick. I am loving breathing, dying, killing for this look. Oh my gosh. Especially with the hair, like it just, Oh, my teeth look so white. Oh, do you want poses? I feel like I gotta go put on a nicer shirt for this. I'll be right back. Let me go change. Let me go fix myself real quick. Okay, I'm back. I changed. I look cute now. Wait, let me put on some more highlighter. Just, just cause. Alright guys, that is it for this Tutorial Tuesday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like this nice, glamorous, emerald green makeup tutorial for you guys today. I hope you guys come back for more videos every single Tuesdays and Thursdays. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a like and make sure you subscribe down below. And also turn that little bell notification on so you get notified every single time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!